everyone, my name is Shanshan Wen. In this short demo, I'm going to show a workflow I used Cursor to understand existing code and quickly add new features. This is especially helpful for new developer who just joined our team. Due to time limited, I will create a very short and practical video tutorial for onboarding videos like how to use Cursor, and I also will speed up a little bit to help you enjoy this video. So as you can see, I already have some basic code in my console, and this is my very simple React to-do list project. As a new developer join the team, one of the first tasks might be understanding how this code works. So basically, I will try to open the app.jsx, and you can see here this is the edit to do. As we already have some the comment, you can help you understand, but sometimes that might not very helpful. So I will try to, maybe you can see here, and we can see add to chat and say, please explain to me what is this code doing. Yeah, as you can see, the console have a built-in explain code feature, so I have selected this part of code, and just you can see at the right side, Cursor will give me a very clear explanation of what the code does. For example, the to-do function, like this is define a function called to-do that add a new to-do to the list. Yeah, this is really useful for if someone just join the team and don't have no idea what is the code doing, and it's kind of annoying, you keep asking other people, so you can just use Cursor to explain what the code doing. This really saves a lot of time during onboarding, because instead of reading through unfamiliar code for 30 minutes, I get an instant accurate summary with the Cursor. So right now you just join the team, and here's my feature right now. It's very simple to-do list. You can just add something like that. So okay, so if I want to add some new features, so maybe you can see here they just have an add function like to do one, and then if I want to modify the to do one, there's no way. So basically you can ask the Cursor to help you. For example, this is the prompt. You can just say ask Cursor to help you create a new function that you can simply add new function. As you can see here, it's working right now. We'll see what doing. Yeah, you can just keep it, and okay, just keep it. This is a new code. Keep it. This is, they also add a new style sheet for you. Yeah, usually when you're in real team project, you can just take a look, but right now for demo, I just keep everything I have. We can see like to do. Let's delete. Ooh, reload. Okay, this is problem. You cannot see what happened. You can maybe just ask Cursor. Not sure if they support screenshot. Yeah, they do. Ask why I can't see my web. Yeah, here we go. Because I just stopped the web. Right now we can see to do one. You can see they have edited. You can edit it to this is updated to do. Add. Yeah, you can see here. You can either add new one or you can edit it just here. To do save. As you can see, yeah, this is what I use Cursor to help me to implement a new feature and also help me debug what's happening if something goes wrong. So this is really useful. The reason why I use Cursor, because this process makes me more productive by reducing the amount of time I spend reading the existing code. As you can see, there's so many codes, so many different files, and handle related respective changes. Instead of writing like all the code myself, I let Cursor do the structuring editing, so I can focus on designing and the correctness. Yeah. However, there may be some risks, like Cursor is not always right. They might introduce bugs, and sometimes they remove like important logic to misunderstanding part of code. This is why I always will review like the AI generate code. Like sometimes you will review first, then click the accept instead of just click the accept. So here's how I use Cursor to quickly understand code, add new features, and debug during onboarding. It really speeds up my workflow a lot. As you can see, you can just ask Cursor for everything instead of doing research yourself or keep asking other people. But I always double check AI generated code because it can introduce bugs. So we treat AI as assistant, not a replacement for testing, code review, or understanding. Thanks for watching.